How to save TikTok drafts to camera roll. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save TikTok drafts to your camera roll. Without further ado, let's get started. So before opening our TikTok app, make sure that it is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or to your Play Store and update your TikTok application. This will also ensure that you're going to face the same user interface, and so you will be guided all throughout. So now let's open the TikTok app. And from the For You page, just click on this plus button at the middle bottom right here. For example, I'm going to shoot a video and save it as a TikTok draft. Click on the check mark right here. Click on Next. And I'm going to save it as a draft by clicking on this Drafts button at the bottom left corner. And now we can find it right here. Let's just go to the profile page by clicking on this button at the bottom right corner. And you will see the drafts right here. Make sure you have selected this button so you can access your drafts. So let's just click on that. And here you will see all of your drafts. So only you can see your drafts. So just select on the draft you want to save to your camera roll. Click on that. Click on Next. And now what we are going to set is this option right here, who can watch this video. So I'm just going to set it to only me because I want to only save it to camera roll and not show it to the public or anything. But you can also opt to show it to your friends or also to everyone or to the public on TikTok. And also, you can just scroll down a bit and you can see the more options right here button, and just click on that and make sure that Save to Device is toggled on, and you can know this by seeing that this button is color green and not gray. So like this, I have enabled Save to Device option. So let's just click back and click on the Post button right here. So once that is uploaded, that is actually also saved to your camera roll. So just check that out, and that is how you can basically save your TikTok drafts to your camera roll. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.